English Podcast Boost. Learn, speak, improve.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Boost. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. We're so happy you're here today.
In today's episode, we're talking about the weather and what to wear.
The weather is something we talk about almost every day.
That's right. You'll learn useful words, simple sentences, and everyday conversations.
So, get comfortable, relax, and let's practice English together.
Hi, Alex. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm very well, thank you. I had a nice morning. I went for a short walk before breakfast.
That sounds nice. How was the weather?
It was beautiful. The sun was shining and the sky was very blue. It wasn't too hot and it wasn't too cold. The weather was perfect. What about where you are?
It's sunny here too. I really like days like this. They make me feel happy.
Me too. Sunny days always give me more energy. I like opening the windows and letting fresh air into the house.
I do the same. Every morning, I open the windows for a few minutes. Fresh air makes the apartment feel clean.
Exactly. Do you usually check the weather before you leave home?
Yes, every morning. I always check the weather on my phone. It helps me choose the right clothes. What about you?
I check the weather too. Sometimes the weather changes very quickly. It can be sunny in the morning and rainy in the afternoon.
That's true. Last week, I left home without an umbrella. Everything was fine in the morning, but in the afternoon, it started raining.
Oh no, did you get wet?
Yes, I did. I was walking home when the rain started. I couldn't find a place to wait. By the time I got home, my jacket and my shoes were completely wet.
That happened to me last month. Now I always keep a small umbrella in my bag.
That's a smart idea. Maybe I should do the same.
Alex, what's your favorite kind of weather?
I love warm and sunny days. I enjoy walking in the park. Sometimes I sit on a bench and read a book. What about you?
I like spring. The weather is warm but not too hot. There are flowers everywhere. The trees are green and the air smells fresh.
Spring is beautiful. I also like autumn. The weather is cool. The leaves change color. Everything looks peaceful.
Yes, autumn is a lovely season. I enjoy drinking hot coffee on cool mornings.
Me too. I also wear my favorite sweater in autumn. It's soft and very comfortable.
Speaking of sweaters, what do you usually wear when it's cold?
When it's cold, I wear a warm jacket, a sweater, jeans, and boots. Sometimes I also wear a scarf and gloves. How about you?
I wear a long coat when it's very cold. I also wear a scarf because I don't like cold wind. If it's really cold, I wear a hat too.
Do you like wearing winter clothes?
Yes, I think winter clothes are cozy. They keep me warm. What about you?
I like winter clothes too. But after a few months, I miss summer.
What do you usually wear in summer?
In summer, I wear a t-shirt, shorts, and sneakers. If it's very sunny, I wear sunglasses and a cap. What about you?
I usually wear a light dress or a t-shirt with comfortable pants. I also wear sandals when it's very hot.
Do you wear sunglasses?
Yes, especially when I go to the beach. The sun can be very bright.
That's true. And don't forget sunscreen.
You're right. That's very important.
Sarah, What do you like doing on rainy days?
I love staying at home. I make a cup of tea or coffee. Then I read a book or watch a movie. Rainy days feel very relaxing. What about you?
I like listening to music. Sometimes I cook something nice. The sound of the rain makes me feel calm.
That sounds wonderful. Sometimes I sit near the window and watch the rain. It's peaceful.
I agree. Rain isn't always bad. Sometimes it's the perfect weather to stay home and relax.
We've talked about sunny days, rainy days, and the clothes we wear.
Next, we'll talk about our favorite seasons, different weather around the world, and more useful English expressions.
Alex, do you have a favorite season?
Yes, I do. My favorite season is spring. The weather is warm, the flowers are beautiful, and everything looks green. What about you?
I love spring too, but I think summer is my favorite. The days are longer, and I can spend more time outside.
That's true. What do you like doing in summer?
I enjoy going to the beach. I also like eating ice cream and drinking cold lemonade. Sometimes I meet my friends in the evening because the weather is cooler. How about you?
I like riding my bicycle. Sometimes I go to the park with my friends. We talk, laugh, and enjoy the nice weather.
What season don't you like?
Maybe winter. Sometimes it's too cold for me. I don't like waking up early when it's freezing outside. What about you?
I don't mind winter, but I don't like very windy days. The cold wind makes my face and hands cold.
I know what you mean. When it's windy, I always wear a scarf.
Alex, what do you usually wear to work?
I usually wear a shirt, jeans, and comfortable shoes. Sometimes I wear a jacket if it's cold. What about you?
I like wearing comfortable clothes too. If I stay at home, I usually wear a t-shirt and soft pants. If I go out, I wear nicer clothes.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, but I don't buy clothes very often. I only buy new clothes when I really need them. What about you?
I'm the same. I usually buy clothes 2 or 3 times a year. I like simple clothes.
What's your favorite color to wear?
I like blue. Most of my shirts are blue. I also like black because it matches everything. What about you?
I like white, pink, and green. They make me feel happy. Sometimes I wear colorful clothes in spring.
That's nice. Do you have a favorite jacket?
Yes, I have a light pink jacket. I wear it every spring. It's very comfortable.
I have a dark blue jacket. I've had it for 3 years. It's still in very good condition.
Does the weather change quickly where you live?
Sometimes. Yesterday morning it was sunny. In the afternoon it became cloudy. Then it started raining. It was a strange day. What about where you live?
The weather changes a lot in spring. One day it's warm. The next day it's cold again. So I always check the weather before leaving home.
That's a good habit.
When you travel, do you check the weather first?
Always. It's very important. If the weather is cold, I pack warm clothes. If it's hot, I pack light clothes. How about you?
I do the same. I also take a small umbrella. It doesn't take much space, but it's very useful.
That's true. I also carry sunglasses in summer. Sometimes the sun is very bright.
Has the weather ever surprised you?
Haha, yes. Last year I went to the park wearing shorts and a t-shirt. The weather forecast said it would be warm. But after 1 hour, the sky became dark. It started raining, and the wind became very strong. I was freezing.
Oh no. What did you do?
I called my brother. He came with the car and brought me a jacket. He laughed all the way home.
That's funny. Something similar happened to me. I wore a warm coat because the morning was cold, but in the afternoon it became very hot. I was carrying my coat everywhere. It was so heavy.
The weather can be very surprising sometimes.
If you could choose the weather every day, what would it be?
Easy. Sunny, about 24 degrees, a little breeze, and a blue sky. Perfect. What about you?
I would choose 22 degrees. Sunny in the morning, a few clouds in the afternoon, and a beautiful sunset in the evening.
That sounds perfect.
We've talked about seasons, clothes, traveling, and funny weather stories.
In the next part, we'll learn new vocabulary, practice speaking together, and finish with a fun challenge.
Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Great job, everyone. Now let's learn some useful words from today's conversation.
Listen carefully and repeat after us.
Sunny.
Sunny means there is a lot of sunshine.
Example. It's sunny today.
Cloudy.
When the sky is full of clouds, it's cloudy.
Example. It's cloudy this morning.
Rainy.
A rainy day has a lot of rain.
Example. I take an umbrella on rainy days.
Windy.
Windy means there is a lot of wind.
Example. It's very windy today.
Cold.
Example. It's cold outside.
Hot.
Example. It's very hot in summer.
Jacket.
Example. I wear a jacket in winter.
Scarf.
Example. My scarf keeps me warm.
Gloves.
Example. I wear gloves when it's very cold.
Umbrella.
Example. I always carry an umbrella when it rains.
Sunglasses.
Example. I wear sunglasses on sunny days.
Sneakers.
Example. I wear sneakers when I go for a walk.
Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me.
Ready? Let's begin.
Today is sunny.
It's a little cloudy. I like warm weather.
I don't like cold weather.
I wear a jacket in winter.
I wear shorts in summer.
I always check the weather.
I carry an umbrella.
My favorite season is spring.
The weather is beautiful today.
I like going for a walk.
I wear comfortable clothes.
Great job!
That's all for today's episode. We hope you learned many new words and useful expressions.
Remember, the best way to improve your English is to practice every day. Even 10 minutes can make a big difference.
Now it's your turn. What's your favorite season, and what do you usually wear? Write 2 to 3 simple sentences in English in the comments. Example. My favorite season is spring. I wear a light jacket and sneakers. I like walking in the park.
We'll read your comments, and maybe yours will appear in a future episode.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like this video
Subscribe to the channel.
and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode.
Every new episode will help you improve your English step by step.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.